Nongstoiñ College mentak sing kala yo ban Pynkup burom iki khana puli jongka ki bla pendap ya ka karan graduation lingba ka te ka shlam ki ba kan thup ya ki bla pass ya ka BCom BA pat BSc ki te ki khana ki bla dan ru hadu arts park na apply ngun ya ki bla Pynkup burom mentak singi ki dei ru lingba usnam arjal san ki ba ka te ka shlam kala yo ban sei mentak kanti Agni Kasnew Vijay Kumar, Mantri IAS Commissioner and Secretary in Charge Education Extra along Kumukong San Ringkat, Kajingadon Lang Uba HK Thaba Additional Deputy Commissioner West Khasi District, Dr. Yaisan Mautho, Principal Nongstoiñ College, Pat Kiwe. Agate Kasnila Yoru Ban Ai Kisurnat, Shakite, Kibla Pendap Ikijingpulie, but Lapen Ipo Ipieng Shushu. Ya kata ke jing halang, dah kisur jing ruai, ki jing shat, but ki jing pen bernia, but lawan pan sak hilang, ya kata ke sengi, dah ki kemi ki kpa, jang ki kena pulih.
As you reach the momentum of high, so that's one more thing. That's wonderful job that we have done, and I must congratulate all of you, all the graduates, for flying with beautiful colors today. I think it's a beautiful feeling for all of you. I still remember 2003. I graduated from IIT Madras. It's almost 22 years. I still remember, even though after 22 years, I still remember the feeling that you had, in this day. This day still you will remember. Even after 20-30 years, I'm sure you will remember this day. Because I don't know, there's some great feeling, that joy. Perhaps maybe this is a feeling of freedom. Because you will experience a different kind of freedom now onwards. So far, from childhood, till you reach the school, your parents were guiding you for everything, how to walk, how to stand, how to eat, everything they were guiding. Once you reach school, your teacher has been guiding you. Now also college, your lecturer has been guiding you. But if you decide to go out of college, you are free. You can choose your time, what to do with your time, and no one will guide you. That's one thing, that you have freedom, but at the same time you have responsibility. Nobody is there to guide you, nothing. Even if you go to office, you get a job, and then there also nobody will guide you. They'll try to pull you down or show that they are better than you, but it's very difficult to find guidance. So that's why it's mixed feeling, that you are free now. You can do whatever you want to do. You can you can apply for a job. Bhatava has beautifully explained what are the opportunities that are available. You can find many more opportunities. You can either find a job, you can start your own business. You can start your own entrepreneurship, startup. But I feel that you must at least study little masters, because now the competition is so much that for undergraduate it's a little tough to get a job. I've seen that recently DC office Shillong, I think they advertised a post of MBA. There were more than 60,000 applications that they have received. Imagine 60,000. Imagine the competition for few two-digit number of posts. So there's so much. It's easy to get a job, government job, but government cannot serve so many. So government can serve only 10% of the population. So 90% has to come from somewhere else, private and other opportunities. And more so that when I graduated, I still remember that the life for us was pretty easy. Pretty easy in the sense that by the time I graduated, I already had a job in my hand, and then we just had to go and join. Somehow things were little comparatively better. Now you are in a difficult, challenging situation. This challenge I see personally, I see that this generation is more challenging than our generation. Because now you have distraction, you have challenge as well as you have distraction. There's a huge technology development that is there. That he was mentioning about screen time. There's so much on your phone, and you can get easily distracted. That's one thing. And then this technology has taken over many things. It's taking over jobs. It's taking over many things. Because this can do what our brain can do. This can do much more faster and much more efficiently. So now what is left? Everything, all the works that are repetitive in nature, are calculative in nature, analytical in nature, it is going to take away. There's no doubt and there's no debate about it. We don't need to even discuss about it. It's being done. What is left is that if you are creative, the good thing about our state is that our students are more creative. If you are creative and if you have emotional intelligence, the task that we can do, that human side, being creative and